Hello, welcome to my channel. I am Aylin. In this video, I'm going to be doing 3-strand twists on my daughter's soft hair. Now, I prefer 3-strand twists over 2-strand twists because 3-strand twists last longer, makes the hair look longer because, of course, hair shrinks, you know, once you put it in the style, especially if you're using water-based products. The 3-strand twists look better, they last longer, and then when it's time for me to take them out, she can wear a nice 3-strand twist out and it will have little to no frizz. Now with the 3-strand twist, one thing I start off doing, of course, moisturizing the hair. I use a styling gel because the hair is already moisturized before the style is, and you know, I use leave-in conditioner, water, of course. Sometimes I use grease, but I make sure I use a styling gel. That will most likely be the Eco Styler gel or the Taliah Waajid's Aloe and Apple line. Now, I start off doing the hair by doing a braid. Doing the braid at the beginning actually helps make it last longer, if you know what I mean. So just by doing the braid, it helps it stay versus starting off with the twist, since your hair is very soft and kids sleep wild. So I start with the braid, and once I get down to a certain part, I start doing the 3-strand twist. Now with the 3-strand twist, a person had described it as like a merry-go-round. So basically what you're doing is taking one strand and then putting it over the other 2 strands and just doing that overall. Just taking one strand, putting it over the other 2 strands, taking one strand, putting it over the other 2 strands, and doing it all the way down till you get to the end. And then with the ends, I just take some styling gel and just twist it around my finger. And as you can see, this is how it looks. Just look how elongated. And I just love how the 3-strand twists look in general. Like, see, her hair is very shiny thanks to the gel. Her hair is not hard, it's still very soft. And this is the finished product. So this is my short little video on how I did some 3-strand twists on my daughter's very soft hair, starting off with the braid and then finishing off with the 3-strand twist and curling it with my finger at the end. Hair is very shiny, twists are nice and uniform, hair is still soft, it's not hard thanks to the nice gel. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.